Awakening isn't beautiful at first. It feels like your soul is tearing through the version of you the world forced you to be.
You start seeing yourself in ways that don't make sense. Fractured, distorted, reshaped by every moment you ignore.
Your mind buried. Your heart beats louder because it's finally trying to speak.
You feel time bending. You feel shadows testing you. You feel every emotion you ran from, chasing you.
But the pain, the pressure, the chaos, that's the old self dying, and the real you waking up.
And when you finally step through that doorway, you'll understand something. You were never breaking. You were becoming.
Follow for more awakening guidance. Your journey is just beginning.